So we are always looking for ways to improve our workflow in Unity, and that's why we've created Turbo Components. Basically, it's a way of organizing anything that you do in Unity, like frequently, into lists so you can access them very easily without hunting around in the project view or other windows. So for example, here we've got a list of folders that we access often. I can click on those to switch between those folders, or I can double click on them to collapse the folders or expand the folders. We've got scenes, so we can switch scenes easily. It also supports C# commands, so you can add in scripting like a method and actually call those just with a single click. You've got components, so for example, UI components here. Again, you can add these to game objects super quickly. So for example, if I want to create a canvas object here, maybe I'll come to the command to run the add a game object, then I'll add an image, I set that to dinosaur, and maybe we want to add outline filter to that and a drop shadow. So this way we can easily quickly add components to game objects. It also supports other kind of objects as well, any kind of assets such as shaders or prefabs. So here's some prefabs, we can drag those in. So you can put any prefabs that you're currently working on just so you can get to them really quickly. You can also double click on the prefabs and it'll take you into the prefab editor. And all the assets support this kind of behavior. Things like presets are also supported. You can drag those onto the game objects, apply your presets. And these lists, they have a lot of options. You can, rearrange the lists. You can change the order. There are options for sorting, changing the colors, and also adding components is very easy. So just to show you how to make a new list. So click on the plus here, give it a name, and then you can add components directly here by namespace, for example. So maybe we wanted that one. Or we could drag here and maybe add all the components in that folder. Or maybe we want to add some textures to here. So we can choose assets. And now we've got all of these components here. So I hope that's given you a really, really quick understanding of Turbo Components and how it could improve your workflow. And let us know if you have any feedbacks on things we can improve.